In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and cut video in OpenShot. OpenShot is a straightforward, free editor that makes quick cleanups easy. Today we'll focus on two essentials: cutting a clip into pieces and trimming the start or end of a clip to tighten your edit. Once you know these, you can shorten long recordings, remove mistakes, and keep only the moments that matter. First, open OpenShot. Take a second to look at the layout. The preview window is at the top, and the timeline sits along the bottom. That timeline, with its horizontal tracks, is where the action happens. With your video already on the timeline, position the playhead roughly where you want to make a change. You can play, pause, and drag the playhead to land on an exact frame. To make a cut, click the scissor icon on the toolbar. Your cursor becomes a blade. Now click directly on the clip at the spot where you want the split. OpenShot will slice the clip at that point, creating two separate pieces. Need to divide a longer section? Move the playhead and click again to create as many precise splits as you like. If you need extra accuracy, use the timeline zoom control so each frame is easier to see. Remember, every cut is non-destructive. You can always undo if you change your mind. To trim, switch back to the regular selection cursor, then hover over the left or right edge of a clip on the timeline. When you see the resize handle, click and drag inward to remove the beginning or end. Watch the preview as you trim so you keep the exact moment you want. If you trim too far, simply drag the edge back out to restore those frames. Trimming is great for removing dead air, awkward pauses, or extra footage without creating additional pieces. A couple of quick tips while you work. Snapping helps edges line up cleanly, so cuts and trims butt up perfectly with neighboring clips. Make small adjustments and listen for clean audio transitions, especially around words or beats. And when you finish your cuts, keep a little room at the edges if you plan to add transitions later. That's it. OpenShot makes trimming and cutting fast and forgiving. Practice on a short clip, get comfortable with the scissor tool and edge trims, and you'll be tightening videos like a pro in no time.